G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Landscaping Secrets. Dakota Dundee here. This is episode 4 and today we're actually at another resident's property. We're going to be going through the SOP, standard operating procedure here at Fontaine. This is the Fontaine way and hope you guys enjoy the video and hopefully get some good tips from us. Nice grass, mate. When we arrive at the site, first things first, safety always the number one priority. We park the truck or trailer on the curb if it's a residential, or if it's a HOA or a business, we try to park away from the public traffic and not directly at an entranceway. We always try to park on a level area, but if it's on a slope, set an emergency brake and place chocks on the two back tires. Set cones in place front and back of truck trailer. Alright, so after we've parked the truck, set the cones out, look for the hazards, we go ahead and do our pre-site inspection. Before every property, we do an overview just to make sure we know what we're getting into, what needs to get done, so it can make the property transformation go by quickest. So we got the front yard here. In the garden bed, we can already see some weeds growing through. You know, if there's not too many, we can pick them out with our hands from the root, but if there's too many, there's quite a few around here, guys. Might throw some Roundup. Cut these back. There's a lot of dead parts, so we're gonna go ahead and get as many dead parts as we can out. We need some pruning done here on these shrubs. The ones around here, because it's so close to the plants, we're going to go and hand pull these. It's too dangerous throwing Roundup near the plants. But even coming up here, guys, in their pots, these are a bit out of control. We're going to have to cut these back. So we've got some pruning, got some mowing, some weeds to pull, weeds to spray. You can tell here we need some fertilization on these plants. As we come around here to the back, we got some sticks here we got to remove, put in the back of the truck. Got my partner Caleb with me here today, ready to smash this property out. Even coming back here, we got some dry spots, no grass is growing, so we're gonna have to tear up the ground a bit and put some seed down. We've even got some moss showing, so we're gonna have to put some lime down back here, 3.5 inches. As it starts to get hotter, we're gonna go to 4 inches, but for now it's still a bit cool, so I'm gonna stick with 3.5. There's a lot of moss back here. Obviously we're gonna blow the back porch off with the leaves and dirt. Get that looking nice and clean. Obviously gonna go ahead and edge the pathways and driveways. Even some spots on the edge here. I don't know what's happened, but the grass has gone grey, so I'm gonna need to put some seed down there as well. Quite a lot to do. Alright, let's get to it. So after we've gone ahead and done our pre-site inspection, guys, we like to begin maintenance. So it's time for mowing. We like to alternate mowing patterns weekly, stripping direction. Then 1 week after, switching 45 degrees, going corner to corner to your previous week's square grid. The week after that, switching to opposite 45 degree run. So edging could always be done at 90 degrees. Don't lean it back against the lawn. Always make sure we have a good blade on the edger, as it's beneficial to make the best possible cut to the edge. We like to edge the property every 2 weeks, alternating between curb and sidewalk. String trimming. Always follow after the mowing's finished. Got the sprayer, the shrub insecticide. We're gonna go fill this baby up. Let's get it. So on the side of the truck here, we've got our chemicals. We've got a shrub insecticide. That's the one. Gotta be careful sometimes. It sprays out a bit. So every truck's assigned shrub insecticide, crabgrass, a Roundup, and we've got a 3-way in the back. So for this truck, the color is orange. We put orange tape around each, orange and yellow tape around each chemical. So let's go ahead, put the shrub insecticide in the sprayer and let's get spraying. In the previous video, I explained whenever we're pouring chemicals, always on the concrete, never on the grass. As you know, you have potential for chemicals to get on the grass and, you know, cause damage. So go ahead. Chemical we use for the shrub insecticides by Fontaine. It's a powerful chemical. Gets rid of the insects. Sometimes it needs a second coating, maybe a week later, but insects hate it and definitely gets rid of them. Let it rip. Oh, we're gonna go inside, swirl it all around. Everything. We have different sprays for each chemical. So now we're gonna get the Roundup out. When we're spraying cracks or hard surfaces with the Roundup, go nice and close. We don't want it to splash and mist up and onto the turf and plants. Instead, stop short of the edge and use a low pressure and direct overspray. Always be cautious when we're walking, guys. We never want to walk over the Roundup because, you know, it collects on our shoes, collects on the tires of the mower, and if we walk onto the lawn, then there's going to be damage there. When weeding alone, we like to pick up the trash. Some of the seed here, just going to spread it around. Spots with patches. Nice. Got the fertilizer here, guys. It's going to help the plants get back to full growth. One of the last steps, guys, blowing. Always in the entrances and pedestrian ways. Got everything packed up. Time to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the process we do here at Fontaine Landscaping. Hope you got a bit of an insight to everyday life and see the potential, you know, these properties can have once, you know, you take good care of them every single week. We'll be uploading again next week. Stay tuned for that. You guys have a great day. Keep subscribing, please. We really appreciate it. And yeah, you guys have a good rest of the day.